Hey guys, hi everyone. So in this lecture, I will show you how we can create dashboards using tables and some interesting features about table. I will explain you step by step. Okay. So now let's say I have some data here. I want to convert this data into table. So for that, what I need to do, I need to press Control A and then I need to go to Insert Table. Then one pop-up table will come, small pop-up table will come. Now here what you need to do, let's say if you have headers, so you can check this option if you have headers in your data then, and if you don't have headers in your data then you can uncheck this option. So let's say I have headers in my table, so I will put on this option and then I will press OK. So now this data has been converted into table. As you can see, your table design is also coming. Previously it was not coming because it was not a part of table. Okay, so now moving forward, what are the special things in table that we'll discuss now? Okay, so let's say if I'm moving downwards, okay, and again if I'm coming up, basically my headers are not showing. If I'm doing some kind of data entry stuff, so my data, basically my headers are not available here. So how I can do data entry and all that stuff? Okay, so now again if you are going up, so now I'm seeing my headers here on the top. So this is a special thing in table, so automatically that header will come on the top. Okay, so this was the thing. Now moving to the second thing, which is very special in table. Let's say if I'm adding some data here, besides this, below this I'm adding some data, automatically this is the part of table and automatically it will be converted into a table, as you can see here. But now if I'm adding data here, so now this is not a part of table because I have skipped one row, that's why it is not a part of table. But if I am putting here something, so now you can see this is a part of table. Okay, so now these are some interesting things. Now coming to the next part, let's say if I am taking total here for this, as you can see in this, in the D column, C column, B column, automatically this drop down is coming. Now in this drop down, whatever thing you want to take, let's say if you want to take average, count numbers, maximum, minimum, automatically it will come. Now this is coming 0 because you can't take alphabet minimum number or maximum number, that's why it's coming 0. If I am taking count, it will be coming. Again here I am taking here count, again here I am taking, let's say, minimum number, so automatically this data will reflect here. Okay, so now moving forward, let's say if I am adding one column here, I want one column here, and in that column I want the total for sales amount and incentives. So what I will do, I will put my header name as total amount. Okay, so now I want to take sum for sale amount and incentive. So I will take equals to sum, then I will select this 2, bracket close, enter. So automatically it will be reflected in another cells also. Okay, as you can see. But in data, if you are doing this thing you need to do copy and paste. But in table, automatically your sum will be coming in below cells also. Whatever cells is a part of table, it will be reflected automatically. Okay, so now moving forward to this table, we have some interesting things in table. Let's say if I want to take this same table here only, so what I will do, I will put equals to table 4, enter. So automatically this table will come here. Okay, so now let's say I want to take only one column from this table. So what I will do, I will type equals to table 4, square bracket on, and then I will put sale amount. As you can see here, sale amount is coming, bracket close, enter. So here my sale amount will come. Okay, so now moving forward, let's say if I want to take total sales for department A and I don't want to select anything from this data, automatically it should come here. That's what my criteria is. I don't need to go here in this data and I can select. So normally what we are doing in data, we are putting some if or some ifs, and we are selecting columns, and then our answer is coming. But here I don't want to select any part of the data, and my answer should come automatically. So how we can do that? Using table, that I am showing you now. So let's say I want to take sum of department A. So what I will do, equals to sum f, range. So what is my range? So my range is department column. So what I will do, I will put table 4. In table 4 I have department. So I have taken department, comma, criteria. My criteria is this. I have selected this department, that is A, comma, sum range. So sum range is my total sales wala amount. So I have D column. So what I will do, I will put table 4, square bracket on, then I will take sale amount, square bracket close, enter. So as you can see, my total sales is coming for department A. So this how we can create some sort of stubs using table. So hope you guys have understood this lecture. Meet you in next lecture.